have been for probably 10 years now, working with this 1854 etiquette guide, which I've taught a lot and is great fun with students because it talks about snot and spit and things like this that generally students don't get to talk about in class. It was this international bestseller in the 19th century in Spanish America and has stayed in print, and nobody's done any research on it. And while I want to do academic research on it, I want it to also to show the fun side of it and to show the interesting ways in which you can think about the way in which people interacted with each other through the text.
Our vision was to create an application that would give this historical text the recognition that it deserves, not only by presenting the text, but by providing important tools for researchers and students, for example, those involved in Hispanic studies or Spanish literature.
It allows you to read the text, allows you to search it, then you can comment on the rules and upvote them. And another thing is you can quiz yourself on the book and then play some different kind of games. The other thing is there's a text analytical tools that you can use, which is really beautiful.
We had 10 weeks to create a fairly advanced Ruby on Rails application, and the schedule was definitely quite tight, but luckily our client she was excellent. She was very involved and she kept us on track.
It's probably impossible to finish a project without any issues, particularly any kind of challenging project. Some of the client requests were difficult to solve with our limited experience, but the satisfaction from, for example, getting a tricky piece of code to work and to work well certainly helped motivate us.
The best part of creating this application for us was probably the fact that it's serving a real world purpose. We had a client who we owed something to, and this site mattered a lot to her for research, for teaching, and for grant application. That put some pressure on us, but it was in a good way.
This website and the game and the analysis will be a really important part of the research overall, and it's a base for developing the grant bid that I'm working on. This project has really helped me think through storylines, think through questions about how I want to manage information, start to do early analysis of the text itself. And I think it's proving to be a really great platform for developing the grant bid further and going on to the next stages of research.